Hello, let's look into the topic mensuration exercise 13.4. Here, the surface area, we are going to look into the surface area of the sphere. So, the surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Now, the curved surface area of a hemisphere, that is half of the sphere, it is 2 pi r square. Now the total surface area of sphere will be equal to 3 pi r square. So these are the formulae for this topic. Moving on to problems, the exercise 13.4. Problem number 1. Find the surface area of the sphere of radius number 1 10.5 centimeters. Here radius is given to be 10.5 centimeter. Surface area formula is equal to, surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square, which is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5, because it is r square. 10.5 the whole square can be written as 10.5 into 10.5, which is equal to, comes to 1386 centimeter square. Number 2, 5.6 centimeter. So r is given to be 5.6 centimeters. Surface area will be equal to of sphere. First we have to write down the formula 4 pi r square. Next, substituting the values in the formula, it is 5.6 into 5.6, which is equal to 394.24 centimeter square. Problem 3, r equal to 14 centimeters. So surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, which is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into r, which comes to 2464 centimeter square. Question number 2. Find the surface area of the sphere of diameter. Number 1, diameter is given as 14 centimeter. We have to find the surface area of the sphere. So when the diameter is 14 centimeters, the radius is diameter by 2, which is equal to 7 centimeters. So surface area formula is 4 pi r square. Substituting the value of r, 7 into 7, which comes to 616 centimeters square. Number 2, diameter is 21 centimeters. So radius will be 21 by 2, which is equal to, or we'll have it in the fraction itself, 21 by 2 centimeters. Surface area is 4 pi r square, which is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. Cancelling 3 times, 2 11s are 22. 2 2s are 4, which comes to 1386 centimeters square. Problem number 3, diameter is given as 3.5 meter. So radius will be 3.5 by 2, which is equal to 1.75 meter. Surface area is sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, which is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 1.75 into 1.75. So surface area is equal to 38.5 meter square. Problem number 3. Find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. Use a pi value as 3.14. So total surface area of hemisphere is asked. Radius is 10 centimeter. The formula is total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square, which is equal to 3 into 3.14 into 10 into 10, which comes to 942 centimeter square. Problem number 4. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeters as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in the two cases. Given is radius 7 centimeter to 14 centimeters. The ratio of the surface area is asked. So case 1, surface area is equal to 4 pi r square, which is equal to 4 into, here r is 7 centimeters, so 4 into 22 by 7 into r. The answer will be 616 centimeter square. Case 2, surface area is 4 pi r square, where the radius is 14 centimeters, which is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. The answer is 2464 centimeter square. Therefore, ratio is asked. So, the ratio of the surface areas of the balloon equal to 616 from case 1 and from the case 2 2464, which is nothing but it's the division, which comes to 1 by 4. So the ratio is 1:4. Moving on to question number 5. Hemispherical ball made of brass has a diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of 10 plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. So inner diameter is given to be 10.5 centimeter. Cost is asked. Painting at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Now the inner radius will be equal to 10.5 by 2 is equal to 5.25 centimeters. Now inner surface area we have to find, which is equal to 2 pi r square. 2 into 22 by 7 into 5.25 into 5.25, which is equal to 173.25 centimeter square. Now cost of painting at the rate of 16 rupees per 100 centimeter square will be the answer what we got into 16 per 100 centimeter square, which is equal to rupees 27.72. Question number 6. Find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So radius is asked, surface area is given to be 154 centimeter square. Now let the radius of this sphere be r centimeter. Surface area is 154. So the formula is 4 pi r square, which is given as 154. R square is 154 by, this is nothing but 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. is 154. R square is equal to 154 into 7 by 4 into 22. This comes to 49 by 4, or R is equal to square root. When square comes the other side, it becomes a square root. Square root of 49 by 4, which is equal to 7 divided by 2. R equal to 7 by 2, or R equal to 3.5 centimeters. Question number 7. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. Now diameter of the moon is equal to 1/4 of the diameter of the earth is given. Now calculate the ratio of their surface areas. Now let the diameter of the earth be 2r for easy calculation. Now then the diameter of the moon will be equal to 1 by 4 of 2r, which is equal to r by 2. Now we have to find the radius. So to substitute in the formula, so radius of the earth will be 2 times 2r by 2, which is equal to r. So the radius of the moon will be 1 by 2 into r by 2, which is equal to r by 4. Therefore, surface area of earth is equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area of moon will be equal to 4 into pi into, substituting this r by 2 with the whole square, which is nothing but 1 by 4 pi r square. So now calculating the ratio of their surface areas will be equal to surface area of moon by surface area of the earth, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi r square by 4 pi r square, which is nothing but 1 by 4 pi r square into 1 by 4 pi r square, which is equal to 1 by 16. Now we can write it as 1:16. So the ratio will be equal to 1:16. Question number 8. A hemispherical bowl is made of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. Now thickness of steel will be equal to 0.25 centimeters. Inner radius of bowl will be equal to 5 centimeters. Therefore, the outer radius of the bowl will be the inner radius plus the thickness, which is equal to 5.25 centimeters. Therefore, the outer curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. 2 into 22 by 7 into 5.25 into 5.25, which comes to 1 175.25 centimeter square. Question number 9. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. Find the surface area of the sphere. We can have a cylinder like this. This is a sphere. So they have asked for the surface area of the sphere, radius r. So say surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square in this case. Problem number 2. Curved surface area of the cylinder. Is asked. The radius of the base is equal to r. Here the radius will be equal to the distance. So here the height is nothing but 2 times r. Though this is 1 r, this is the other r. So here height is nothing but 2 r. So substituting in this formula cylinder, 2 pi into r into 2 r, because in case of cylinder the curved surface area is 2 pi r h. So just substituting the value of r and h, we will get 4 pi into r squared. Problem 3. Ratio of the areas obtained in 1 and 2. So the ratio of areas obtained in 1 and 2 will be surface area of sphere by surface area of the cylinder, which is equal to 4 pi r square by 4 pi r square, which is equal to 1 by 1. So the ratio can be written as 1:1.